If you guys are subscribers to the vlog, you guys probably remember that last year I had the Galaxy S21. I actually sold my iPhone to get the Galaxy S21. Turns out the Galaxy S21 wasn't really so good for the purposes that I needed the phone. So now, 1 year later, Samsung introduces the Galaxy S22 in this awesome online exclusive color. Guys, that's sick. I don't care what you say. If you guys are team Android, team iOS, that's a freaking crazy color. And it goes through the whole side of the phone. It's a matte black texture. That's crazy, guys. I'm giving this phone a shot. Reason being, I'm saving up to get a dedicated vlogging camera. I don't need to vlog with a smartphone anymore. Will I make vlogs occasionally on a smartphone? Possibly, but once I got a camera, I see no reason to be using a phone to vlog unless it's like for emergency purposes, like I left the camera home or something. But anyways, first impressions. I'm really liking the phone. Let's test the fingerprint scanner. I like that more than Face ID, although I have to give Apple credit. Face ID working with masks now is a pretty clutch update. I don't know why it didn't come out sooner. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing around with this phone for a little bit. For those of you who don't know, I am filming this video actually, and most of my vlogs have been filmed on this camera, which is the iPhone 13 Pro. My plan is to switch back to Android because, like I said, I'm getting a dedicated camera soon. So I don't need a phone to vlog with. So if this camera is not as good as the iPhone camera for video recording, it doesn't really bother me because I'll have a real camera to take care of that spot. I'm gonna be testing this phone out for the next few days. Obviously gonna give it my full review. And of course, the real question is, am I gonna switch back to Android or am I sending this back to Samsung? I'm not doing like I did last time. I'm actually keeping my iPhone until I'm for sure keeping this phone. If I keep this phone, I'll sell the iPhone. If I don't like this phone and send it back, I just keep my iPhone. You guys get what I'm trying to figure out here? I was always team Android. The only reason I switched to the iPhone was for my vlogs. I knew that my vlogs would look better, clearer, be easier to record with an iPhone compared to the previous Galaxy phones that I had, the S6, S8, S10. Here we go again. Throwing my SIM card in now. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys could see my full review and what I think of the Galaxy S22 from Samsung. Peace out, stay safe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.